Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching from and when you're watching. So today is the 15th day of February 2025. I want to share my good setup for next week. As we can see, I'm on the daily time frame and gold is very bullish. It has been trending upward from the daily time frame, and our major trade will be looking for a buy setup. However, the last candle in the daily time frame, that's on the 14th of February, the Valentine Day, closed on a bearish note. So we can see this bearish engulfing candle. That's the last candle here. This is also a sign that gold may go down a little bit before going up. So let's move to the 4 hour time frame and even lower. So this is a top down analysis. So we see what we are looking for. All right. At the moment, gold is sitting on a support. Let me draw a support line here. A support line. Gold is sitting there comfortably. Yeah, we might see a reaction from here upward. However, when we draw our trend line, we will see something else that may also show us that there is also a possibility for gold to trade down a little before going up. Bear in mind, this is an uptrend. So if you're selling, you must be a sniper. So be aggressive with your profit taking if you want to sell. But the best trade will be to look for an upside opportunity. So let me zoom in a bit. Zoom in a bit. Now, when you look at this trend line, you will see that gold hasn't touched the trend line on 4 hours for our time frame. So there is also support here, or I put it here because of this imbalance here. So there's also a support there. So we have multiple scenarios where we are looking out for a buy setup. So let's move down to 1 hour time frame. Now in 1 hour time frame, we can also see a bullish engulfing candle, which is also a sign for a buy. However, this is my take on gold. I believe that gold will trade down to this second block. I believe gold will trade down to this place to touch this trend line. That will be a better buying opportunity. That will be a better buying opportunity if you ask me. So, but what do we do at this point? So let's go down a little bit to 15 minutes time frame. Now in 15 minutes time frame, we can see gold clearly. So selling from this point will be a disservice to your account because we may see anything is possible in this market anyway. Um, However, I wouldn't like to. I don't think we will see a move directly from this zone to this zone. It can happen, but I don't think so. Personally, that's my personal opinion. So what I would do is to pick up my Fibonacci retracement and get my 61 standard golden ratio. That's right. So we are looking at the golden ratio here. Right here. Okay. So let me make this red. Let me turn it to red for a sell. So I would love to see gold moving from this point here up to the 61, the golden ratio of Fibonacci down there. Then I would also love to see a fall. A fall. By the way, I'll turn this to red. Okay. So let's measure this. Okay, it's longer. So this will be what I'll personally look out for by next week. So this will be my trade for next week. So if that happens, we'll have let me also add some confluence. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, we will have this. So this will be my setup for next week. Then from here, when we get a confirmation, then we'll be looking for a buy. All right, so that's my setup for next week. That's what I'll be looking out for. If this plays out, we we hop on it. But if something else happens, we'll follow the market.